Hello everyone, it's Erica with Craftinated, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Inkybox. So this was like the mini mystery Inkybox bag, so I don't know what's going to be in here, but I'm super excited to find out. And I have some paper over here. I brought all colors out just in case there's something that can write on black or craft paper as well as white. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what is inside of this bag. So these mystery bags, I believe, are sold out already. They only happen once a year, and they are a $20 worth, at least $20 worth of items inside of it. And it costs $19.99 plus shipping, and then shipping was $2.99. So this bag of goodies costs $22.98, guaranteed to be worth at least $20 in pens. So let's see what's inside. So I actually think this is a really good deal. I don't know exactly how much each of these items would cost individually, but we have two Karen Brush Marker Pros. Love these pens. They're so amazing brush pens. So there's a gold and a turquoise. And then I have the Le Pens. I think these are the exact same colors I got when I had a mystery or an Inkybox subscription box, but they are so good. I love these. I'll write with them all. I'm not sure what these are, so it is fun to get something I've never had before. These are At You Spica. Twinkling Like Stars. It's red and sky blue. Then I have these Stabilo Pen 68 brush pens. Love these as well. Super excited. It looks like I have a black and a teal. These ones wrote awesome as well. And then we have the Derwent Metallic Gold pencil. So let's start with the Karen. And I don't think that these write on any other color, not these ones. They do have some that will. So let's just say hello. And these ones are so juicy, and I love her. I love her stuff, but I don't think they write on black. They would write on the craft, but I don't think they'll write on black. So let's try the gold. And it's almost like a daffodil color to me, or sunflower, or some kind of, you know, autumn yellowy gold. But that's really pretty as well. And then I'm pretty sure I have the teal and the burgundy, but these are fun too. They're like a semi-hard or hard tip, I don't even know. But they're really easy to control versus like the larger brush tips, in my opinion. You'd have to try it out for yourself to see, but I think they're awesome. So that was the teal. This is the burgundy. And I actually found, I thought I found some, I like had like my cart full at this local like paper crafting store, and I thought I found these, and my cart was literally full of them, like every single color. And then I realized it wasn't the flex tip. Like they were just like regular hard tip pens, and I put them back because I wanted the brush pen. All right, so this is something different. This is red. So that's fun. I wonder if that one will write on black. Let's find out. So it will, kind of hard to see on black, but it will write on the black. I really like the red and the blue. They're both fun. So let's see if the blue's any better. It's not. So I think that these pens are mostly going to be for white paper, because I don't think that, I know the Stabilo ones won't work on the black paper. Alright, if that thing does not stop rolling. Love that. I always like to have a black brush tip. Like, you can never, not go wrong with that. And then this one doesn't say a color, but it looks like a teal to me. And I really like these ones as well. I think that they're easy to write with. And then we have the gold metallic. And I wonder if that would work on black. I mean, it probably will. Most colored pencils will. Yeah, that one will. Alright, so that was everything that was inside of this Inkybox. I have the 2 Caron Brush Marker Pros, the 2 La Pen Flex, the 2 At You Spica? The 2 Stabilo pens, and then the 1 pencil. So I think that was worth $20. And I'm actually really excited because a lot of these I didn't have. The only ones I did were these 2. And that's the reason why I stopped getting the Inkyboxes in the first place, is because I kept getting repeats of things that I already had. So I love Sarah. I love her idea of doing these Inkyboxes. I highly recommend them to anybody, especially if you're starting to build your pen collection and you don't know where to start or what you're going to like. This is a great way to try different pens and really find out what your favorites are. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, you can hit that bell below and you'll get notifications when I come out with new YouTube videos, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel here. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.